Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a club in Rocket League and invite players to clan. It's really easy, fast and simple. And first what you need to do here, if you want to create a clan, you need to go to profile, and then you need to go on create club, and then you need to put your tag and your club name. So for example, let's do this one. And then you need to select your primary color and accent color. For example, let's do this, and then accept, right? And your clan is created, and as you can see here, you can now create private matches, join private matches. Also, you can set news for your clan, you can write something important here, you can edit team colors, also you can rename the club and disband club. And if you want to invite players to a club, I'm using PS4, but I'm pretty sure options will be pretty much the similar. I need to press R2 to end up on this window, and as you can see here, there is a players that I can invite to my club. So what you need to do here, you need to press on the player, press X, and then press invite club, right? And that's pretty much it, how you can create and invite players to your clan, right? So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.